And while Mega Length Mascara, I really like this one. It just builds really well on itself. It gives them length and it also makes them look lifted and curled. The issue with this one is that it has a really strong smell to it. I really like this one, especially for my bottom lash line. I'm sorry about my voice, it just suddenly changed, didn't it? I really like this one, especially for my bottom lash line. You can see this. I hope I can focus it. I hope you can see the wand is like very different, very tiny pointed design is there for your lashes. So this is actually good for your bottom lash line. I have heard a lot of YouTubers talk about this particular mascara for their bottom lash line, and anyway, wand design like this would actually get into those tiny hair you have on the bottom lash line. So I also like this font for my bottom lash line as well. This is waterproof mascara, so if you're going for swimming or any water sport activity like scuba or stuff like that, you definitely want to like carry this one. This is like hardly 300 rupees, I think. I feel like this is really underrated product. I have heard like huge YouTubers talk about this mascara when it first launched, and then just nobody talks about it, and now it's like Lash Paradise, but I am using that one right now, L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I have repurchased this in the past, and I find this it's a type of mascara that performs a little bit better once it dries out a little bit. When I initially got this, I liked it, but I felt like it didn't do anything too special for my lashes. It's really good for lengthening and like separating your lashes once it dries out for like a month, and that's when it works even better. It builds on itself nicely. So if you have like a short lashes, especially for bottom lash line, it definitely lengthens them and again gives you that like separation because the wand is designed that way. So it's not going to give you like a thick voluminous lashes, but it will make them look long and it will separate them nicely. Don't plan on repurchasing this one for now, because right now I'm using that L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, which I'm really enjoying. I want to say I like Lash Paradise mascara better because I do prefer dramatic lashes to the point where they look like a bit clumpy, and this one removes any clumpiness. While I do like it, if I had to choose personally, I would stick with Lash Paradise because it does give me that volume that I'm looking for. But I do like this one. I just feel like for now it's been replaced.